It's not
Okay,
really
this is like the third video you've done.
Johnny!
Yeah, I know. I'm sprinkling.
No more.
And then there
Take some of it out before
is my friend Anna.
Take a lot out.
Well, we can't take a
They're
lot out. It's
stick.
already in the glue, so. It's already in the glue, guys. What's done is done.
Yeah, what's done is
Alright,
done.
and now, guys, we're gonna mix that up.
Oh, here are the.
Guys, mix slowly. Once we add in the borax, then you guys
Okay,
mix
wow, this is a very horrible video.
But once we
Hey, motorcycle guy. Motorcycle guy, what's your opinion of slime?
Wasn't even a motorcycle.
Stop. All right, guys, we're gonna go on. All right, so we're gonna go on with the borax, guys, and mixing utensil people.
Where's
You guys have to mix very slow once it goes in. Once this water goes in, it's basically borax water. You have to mix very slowly. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh jeez, that's way too much, I think.
No.
I'm just watching his footage. Alright, guys, I'm gonna film his footage too, because I have no idea what's happening and he's got a good view. So, yeah. His footage.
Do you want me to hold
I mean, this is totally my footage. I'm filming on my other phone, so I have a better view. Yeah, no credit to this guy who's holding my phone.
All right, guys. So when you guys first make the here, I'm gonna go. Everybody, take your mixing utensils out, please. All right.
Okay, guys, let me show you the glue already.
First, guys, it is going to be very.
If it's hard, it's because you added like that whole thing of thing.
It's not very hard.
Baking soda.
All right.
This is what happens when you add too much baking soda.
No, it's fine.
Bacon soda.
Add a tiny bit.
It looks like
Just a
crystals.
tiny bit.
Looks like peach.
Oh, that's good.
Alright, I'm just
All
gonna
right, slowly,
scrape.
guys, slowly.
Guys, oh my god.
3 years later.
6 feet? I mean 5.
You guys see this beautiful clear slime? And it's not gonna clear up right away, guys, because you have to wait for like a week for it to clear up. Or like sometimes if you're lucky, a few days.
Owie!
Oh yeah, and also, guys, this is also my sister. Say hi, Ronnie.
Yeah, she doesn't have a channel, so she sucks.
She doesn't
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
All right, guys.
Oh. Why are you not doing any work? What are you doing with your stick?
Some news for all of you. I am going to be changing my channel name to G's Crazy Fam.
No, don't!
Instead of G's Crazy Vlogs.
It's not ready yet. It's not ready.
Sis, Anna, it's not ready.
Anna,
That's
put
my
it
stick.
back.
Anna, put it back. It's not ready, Anna. Put it back, please.
Ready like this.
Okay, but it's not ready.
Xfinity Wi-Fi.
These bugs are bugging. Stop.
Protected by Infinity Wi-Fi. I'm an Xfinity Wi-Fi.
Infinity Wi-Fi. Okay, so
Yo, guys, what up? I just got some Infinity Wi-Fi. Look at that sign, dude.
All right, everybody,
Infinity
take out your
Wi-Fi.
mixing utensils. I'm going in.
Okay.
Really? Maximum recording time reached?
yeah, just X out and go back in. That's what I do.
What is up, YouTube? G here from G's Crazy Vlogs, back at you guys with another video. Where today we are making some clear slime. We already kind of made it because we had to redo the video because I reached maximum limit. Yeah.
Could have just connected to the video to this one
Yeah.
with Kind Master.
Yeah, but
Too much work and he's lazy.
well, no, it's not too much work. It's just that I don't have time right now because tomorrow I'm going to Busch Gardens.
Oh,
Or
Busch
no,
Gardens.
Not Busch Gardens. Somewhere. I don't know.
Somebody scraped the slime off mine.
Anna, you said it.
Yeah, I have slime all over me, so that's not really going to do much help for you. But yeah, so
There, that's
all we
all I
did
can
was
get.
we added this baking
Wait,
soda,
who are you going with?
borax, put it in the water,
Who are you going with?
people for my birthday, and put it in the water, mixed it
I'm
up,
not invited.
added clear glue,
Can I be invited?
I'm not invited.
because
Can I come?
I can't. My mom said only 2 people, and I picked 2 people.
Ooh.
People from my old school.
Wow.
Anyways,
I'm just gonna stand up, be lazy, and get a good view of this.
Is it ready? Can I touch it?
yeah, it's ready.
Dude, Anna, calm yourself before the things do.
All right, we're going in, guys. Someone hold the phone, please. Someone get the phone.
Here, I got it.
Oh, Brandon got the phone.
A double vlog. It's called a double vlog, guys.
No.
Alright, guys, subscribe to me, subscribe to me, subscribe to me. This is how you get more subscribers, alright? Good, cool, alright.
This is ready. No, it's not.
Alright, peeps.
needs
So
to be
check
played
it
like-
out. Look how it's so crunchy.
It's not stretchy.
Look at
it's
it.
very stretchy. It's because Gianni decided to add a whole cup full. Bacon soda. Your mom said she was on
Bacon
her
soda.
way and she's not even.
Here, somebody hold Gianni's phone. I'm gonna get some slime.
I ain't holding it.
Oh, come on, I want some slime.
I didn't get any.
Oh, come on, I never even had it. Oh, no, you took the rest of
Alright.
it.
So, yeah, this is the slime, guys. That's all the slime. That's all the slime. This is all the slime.
This is all the slime.
I don't have any.
This is what happened, guys, when you, take
Anna has the biggest
It's a
piece.
little hard, guys, because
she does to make amazing clear slime. And I
Wait,
will
you
do,
do have the biggest piece.
and I'll do a clear slime update.
Somebody share one of theirs with me. I have nothing.
I'll do a clear slime update video
Thanks.
when I'm ready. You're covering
okay, here.
Thanks.
Yeah, I'm.
I got like a 2 millimeter piece slime.
Yeah, I'm.
She dropped her slime.
So, yeah, I'm holding this for him.
Yeah.
And was our
Do you have
slime.
lotion or anything?
Nothing.
Baby oil?
So,
G?
here
Baby oil?
is the clear slime.
I don't know.
Well, if you
Eh.
did it, if you added a lot, it would make
That
it
is my
better.
view.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, no.
Anna!
I hate it when the phone drops.
My video.
Get you. Here,
Wait, is my video? Oh, I'm still recording. Slime, clear slime. Look at it.
You're just a baby.
Look at that.
I didn't even do anything.
Clear slime.
Guys, we can't. I'm gonna split the clear slime once it's actually clear.
Oh, my gosh.
We're gonna let it sit
Oh
at
my
my house
gosh.
until it's clear.
How long? How long will it take?
Hey,
Let me have my slime, Anna. It's my slime.
so you'll let them play with it, but not me.
I see.
Technically, it's my slime until it clears up. Because I have to keep it at my house.
Me and Gianni split it.
Gianni,
Because you guys already have some slime. I don't have it.
you said next time we make slime, you could keep it at your house, but I could come play with it whenever I want.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can.
If I come back, I might leave tomorrow.
So I'll just keep the slime, but you guys can just come over and play with it whenever you want. And even if you come
Look how
to my
clear
door and I can't
it
play,
is getting.
and you still want the slime, I can just give it to you quickly and you can leave. Even if I can't play.
This one isn't stretchy.
Ah,
Let them
shoot.
are on, we could just let them sit in water and it makes it better.
Yeah.
Is that water
It's gonna
good?
get a little
No,
dark.
that's borax water.
Gianni, when it gets dark, can you come with us when we go home?
Why?
Oh, wait, actually, I have to go home.
Okay, I don't blame you because I'm sick.
Alright, guys, I'll talk to you later. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to me and Jay and G's Crazy Blogs.
Jeez, crazy blogs.
Or G's Crazy Fam.
And
If-
the
if
wolf
in
pack,
case.
the wolf pack. Look at me, the wolf pack, and this is where I do my face reveal. So if you want my face, it's on here.
I gotta get this for the
Hashtag
views.
PG for like people.
I gotta get this for the views. Got it for the views.